Thanks so much for staying with us. Now, with the across the Caribbean this evening, we are continuing to monitor that trough system that is in the Western Caribbean, but we also have high pressure dominating much of the central and eastern portions of the basin. Towards the north, over the northern portion of the Antilles, we do have a weakening frontal boundary that is generating a broad area of clouds and showers, and also some isolated thunderstorms affecting sections of Puerto Rico and Hispaniola. We are expecting that high pressure dominates much of the area as we move into the weekend. Now, the forecast for tonight, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions. That's what we are expecting right across the island for tonight. Expect temperatures to drop to 25 degrees Celsius, both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Expect 5-knot winds on both coasts. Now, in the morning tomorrow, we're expecting it to be partly cloudy. There are showers expected across sections of the northeast. And then in the afternoon, we do also have some isolated shower and thunderstorm activity forecast for sections of northern parishes. The temperatures are expected to get to 33 degrees Celsius in Kingston and to 32 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now, isolated showers are expected across the southwest in Savannah, Lamar and Negril tomorrow, but it's partly cloudy for much of the southeast. Expected to be generally fair if you're in Portmore or Spanish Town. Partly cloudy conditions with isolated showers and thunderstorms are expected for Brownstown, St. Anne's Bay, as well as Ocho Rios, Port Maria and Port Antonio. It's partly cloudy for most of the day in Golden Spring, Bogwalk and Moco, but we do have shower and thunderstorm activity in Duncans as well as in Richmond. Now, the next few days, isolated showers and thunderstorms mainly across northern sections of the island on Wednesday and Thursday, and then on Friday much of this activity is across southwestern portions of Jamaica. Now, in the marine forecast, there are east-northeasterly winds expected for the north coast tomorrow. The winds are between 15 and 20 knots, the wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And then on the south coast, winds are east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, with the wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. While for offshore areas, east-northeasterlies are at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights 1.5 to 2 meters. The winds are expected to drop down to 15 knots on Wednesday, and then speeds drop to 10 knots on Thursday and Friday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow, 23 past 6, 26 past 6 in Mandeville, 28 past 6 in Negril. That's 29 past 6 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening, but we thank you so much for watching.